In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Microsoft Edge from Windows 11. We'll start with the simplest option and move to more advanced methods if the basic root isn't available on your system. First, try the normal uninstall. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps. In the search box, type Microsoft Edge. Click the three dots next to it and choose Uninstall. If you see Uninstall, follow the prompts and you're done. If the uninstall button is grayed out, don't worry. Use the advanced method next. For the most common advanced method, we'll remove Edge using command prompt. This is intended for experienced users, so proceed carefully. Start by finding your exact Edge version. Open Edge and go to Edge, Settings, Help. Note the full version number you see there, such as something like 137.0.x.x. Now open File Explorer and browse to see about Program Files, x86 file, Microsoft Edge Plus application. Inside, open the folder that matches your version number, then open the installer folder. Keep this window handy, you'll be running the uninstall tool located here. Next, run command prompt as an administrator, search for CMD from the start menu, right-click command prompt, and choose run as administrator. Make sure the command runs from that installer folder you opened, then type setup.exe, uninstall, system level, verbose logging, force uninstall, and press enter. Give it a moment. Edge should uninstall and disappear from your apps. If you see errors, double check that you ran the command as an administrator and from the correct installer directory. There's also a PowerShell route. Open PowerShell as an administrator and run the appropriate uninstall command for your specific Edge build. The exact syntax can vary by version, so use the approach that matches the build you found earlier. After removing Edge, Windows Update may try to bring it back. To reduce the chance of that happening, you can disable Edge updates, rename Edge update folders, or if you're on a Pro Edition, use group policy to block it. Choose the option you're comfortable with and be aware that update settings can change with future Windows releases. If permanently removing Edge feels too risky, a safer alternative is to disable it for daily use. Install another browser such as Chrome or Firefox, then open Settings, go to Apps, then Default Apps. Select your preferred browser and set it as the default for web links and file types. Finally, open Edge, go to Settings, then System and Performance, and turn off Startup Boost and continue running background apps to stop Edge from auto-starting.